Lesson 14-2 is what we will be covering today, medians of a triangle. This lesson is split into 5 sections. The first section covers questions 1 to 2. Then we have 3 to 8. We've got 9 to 11. Then I've got 12 through 14. And we'll finish this section off with question number 15. So let's take a look at our introduction. It says, the next 2 lines of the poems give the next clue. Stand at the place where 2 medians meet, and the rest of the treasure will be under your feet. Number 1 states, carefully draw all 3 medians of triangle AGC. Name the coordinates of the points where the medians appear to cross. Do they appear to be concurrent? Math terms. A median of a triangle is the segment from a vertex of the triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side of the triangle. Number 2 states, use concepts from algebra in items 2 through 7 to prove or disprove your answer to item number 1. 2. Write the coordinates of the midpoint of each side of triangle AGC. Label the points as follows. H is the midpoint of AC, N is the midpoint of HE, and E is the midpoint of CG. I want you to take about 5 minutes here. First, draw your triangle, and then go ahead and draw your medians. Go ahead and pause your video now. All right, questions 1 and 2 have been answered. It looks to me like I have drawn our midpoints. Now remember, midpoints are where it cuts it halfway in half. If you recall, that formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So I would have done that with each set of endpoints here. Sorry. So we would have done 0 plus 12, that's 12, divided by 2 is 6. Then I would have done 0 plus 24 is 24, divided by 2 is 12. So this point should be located at 6, comma 12. Okay? Then we look at AG. AG goes from 0, 0 to 36, 0. Well, this is pretty easy. 0 plus 36 is 36, divided by 2 is 18. Then we have 0 plus 0 is 0, divided by 2 is 0. So that was my point N. Point E is the midpoint of CG. So we've got 12 plus 36 is 48. 48 divided by 2 is 24. 24 plus 0 is 24, divided by 2 is 12. So these 3 points are located at HEN. HEN. It asks, do these appear to be concurrent? Concurrent means do all 3 intersect at the same place? Yes, they look like they intersected right there. We'll get into this a little bit deeper in just a little bit. So go ahead and we are going to move on to our next set of questions.